Okay, Xiaotong, can you read the question here?
Two identical cups X and Y were balanced on a rod. A burning candle was placed below cup X as shown below. Would the rod tilt downwards towards X, remain balanced, or tilt downwards towards Y? Explain your answer.
Okay, can you underline the word explain? Okay, so then this part, right, you can annotate by drawing the flame. Okay, because the flame here would cause the hot air to rise, right? So the hot air will actually push this container upwards. So when it's being pushed upwards, this one will come down. Okay, so now they ask you, would the rod tilt towards X or remain balanced or tilt towards Y? So answer is this one, right? We will tilt downwards towards Y, correct? Yeah, so you say it will tilt downwards towards Y. Then you explain the answer. I give you about 30 seconds before I screen share the answer to you all. Okay, this question actually came out in this school's prelim exam. Last year's paper, 2020, RGPS. Okay, this one. So how will you answer this question? So we'll see tilt downwards towards Y. Okay. Then you will give an explanation. The flame from the candle, right? Up the air. In up. So we mentioned these are the flame from the candle heats up the air in cup X, causing the warm air to rise upwards, thus pushing cup X upwards. Hence, Y would be tilted downwards. Good answer. Adrian, can you read out the answer which I typed here? Adrian, can you read out the answer which I just typed? Yeah.
Tilt downwards towards Y. The flame from the candle heats up the air in cup X, causing the warm air to rise upwards, thus pushing cup X upwards. Hence, cup Y will be tilted downwards.
Okay, thank you. So this is how the examiner would mark. You take note. Firstly, you must name the correct cup. You must name the correct response because there are three choices. Okay, so either is towards X, remain the same, or tilt downwards. So you have to put this one, tilt downwards towards Y. Then the explanation you must mention the flame, right? Okay. Or the air, as mentioned here, air in cup X is being heated up, so it rises up. So as it rises up, it pushes this cup X upwards because they are connected to the other side, right? So cup Y would be tilted downwards. Okay, Ken? So I screen shared, I saved this, and I sent to everyone this answer. Okay. Adria, you managed to follow? Can follow?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Is your phone with you, Adria?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is my answer correct?
Your answer, let me check. Okay. Can you change your name to your actual name?
That is my actual name.
Oh, okay. Thanks for your Luciana, can you pay attention? How come I can hear background noise from your other side? Thank you. Yeah, okay, your answer is correct. Okay, let me clear this. Okay, next one. Next. Okay, now Peng Sun, can you read this part for me?
Changes were made to the setup by replacing cup Y with cup M, made of a different material. It was observed that the rod was balanced only when the candle was placed under cup X. Explain the observation.
Okay, so you highlight this part. Now they change to M, right? Made of a different material. So you must understand this scenario. That's mean this new cup M will have a different mass from the original one. And they can only stay balanced if there's a force from the flame preventing it from coming down, right? So the first thing you need to determine is the mass of cup M greater or lesser than the previous one? Okay, so you must do some mental calculation here. Okay. So do you think, okay, maybe y'all can type there. Do you think M is lesser, the mass is lesser or more than before? Cannot be the same, right? Because now it's balanced by a force, right? So y'all can type in the chat there. Let me see your responses. Okay, if M is greater, you think carefully. Okay, some of you immediately put heavier, then change to lighter. Okay, now I teach you how you make the decision. If without the flame, right? Okay, if without the flame, okay, if the thing balanced this way, okay, without the flame, if they stay this way, right? That's mean both same way, right? All right. Now with the flame, okay, I erase it. Now with the flame, right? This thing need to have a force that push it up in order to stay balanced. So this will tell you that X material that make this one is greater than M. So actually M this side is lighter, right? Because you see, you need to be balanced by this force pushing upwards. So in other words, cup X has a greater mass than cup M. So now they ask you, explain the observation. Okay, so you should say that, okay, give you 30 seconds to think before I share with you the answer. So firstly, you must answer to say that mass of cup M is lighter than cup Y. This is the answer. Lucian, can you read out the answer which I just typed? Lucian?
Mass of
Yeah.
Q of cup M is lighter than cup Y. Therefore, the warm air rising from the candle flame pushes cup S upwards so that it can balance the wall, as cup S has a greater mass than cup M.
Okay, thank you very much. So this one you understand the logic, right? So first of all, I repeat, right? You pretend that there's no flame. Okay, no flame, then they will stay balanced, right? But now with the flame, right, this upward force, right? You're pushing this up. So that means X must be heavier than M. Okay, so this is the answer presented here. I will do I've saved screen and then I send to you the answer.